Meaning of fedora.
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 Fedora. Fedora is a type of hat that has a soft brim and a creased crown. It is typically made of felt or straw and is commonly associated with men's fashion. The fedora has been worn for over a century and has become an iconic fashion accessory. It is often seen in movies and television shows, particularly in the film noir genre. The fedora was originally a women's hat but became popularized as a men's hat in the early 20th century. Today, it is still worn by both men and women and remains a classic and timeless accessory.